Aloha folks, welcome to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today I got 3 penny stocks that you definitely want to put on your watch list. Check this out on Monday, see what happens to it. I think it's going to be great, might skyrocket, we'll see, but I definitely want to show these guys to you so you can put it on your watch list and make a plan. As always, please remember this is not in any financial advice. This is just me sharing. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you are new to investing and you want to learn about which companies are great for a dividend to invest on, whether it is dividends, growth stocks, or even penny stocks, definitely hit that subscribe button. Join me and my little community of Ohana of investors as we invest together and make some money in the stock market. Let's take a look at this company. First one on the list is Cormedix, ticker symbol is CRMD. It is a biopharma company specializing in the field of infectious and inflammatory disease. So as you can see, they just recently had the FDA has granted priority review of this product dated as of February 28, 2021. So in my opinion, this is a catalyst that we'll see how it performs. Hopefully it performs good so that we can make some money off it. Now, if we look at key financials highlights, you can see market cap is about 150, but I'm more looking at the cash, 22 million as of 6/30/2020. Pro forma cash is 43 million, and look at that, debt nothing. So that is something to kind of look at, very interesting in my opinion. Now if we look at tip ranks, at the time of this video it was it's $17. Their price target is on the 29 with 67% upside. Their 12-month forecast is going as high as 35. 29 is the average and the low is 25. Their rating, based on 4 of their analysis, rated as a strong buy. Now if we also look at CNN Business, we can also see similar forecasts with the high of 35, the median of 27, and the low of 10. Their analysis recommendation is 5 of them recommended as a buy, which is great. Now if we look at the top institutional holdings on Yahoo Finance, as you can see, BlackRock bought on December 30th about 1 million shares, almost 2 million. Elliott Investment Management bought about 1,700,000, and then Vanguard bought 1,200,000. So, and Street State bought it 500,000. So definitely BlackRock, Vanguard is the companies that I always pay attention to. Now if we look at Webull, you can see 98 institutions hold this with 29 increase, 19 new, 11 decrease. If you look at their analysis price targets, it's pretty much the same. The high is 35, the medium is 25, and the low is 10. Their rating based on 5 analysis rated as a buy. Again, if you're ready to start your financial journey, there is a link in the comment section. If you use my link and you deposit at least $100 on your first deposit, you and I will get 2 free stocks. And I think the minimum would be like $10 and the maximum would be like 1,000 something. So hopefully check that out. The link is on the comments. Now if we look to bar chart to look at the graph, this is a 3-month graph that we're checking out. The red is the 20-day average, the blue is the 50. As you can see, beautiful upward trend. Volume has started to pick up. Now if we look at the MACD has crossed. Now it's going on an upward trend. The Rizzo seems to be in a good position right there between the 0.80 and the 0.220. So definitely something to kind of put this on your watch list. Next on the list is Viomi Technology. Ticker symbol is VIOT. It is a holding company which engages in the operation of developing and selling of Internet of Things enabled smart home products. So they have like products like oven, steamer, range hood, refrigerator, washing machine. So pretty interesting. So they have like products that are internet related, as you can see in here. So smart home is what I'm thinking in this company. Now, if we look at some of their financial highlights, as you can see, this is their net growth. This is their net revenue. Now, if we look at the breakdown, the revenue 71% is based on their home products with consumables, small appliances, and home water. Now, if we look at the household users, you can see it's going up. Now, if we look at the quarter four revenue, it also has been getting better. Quarter four, 1.8 to 2 billion. So definitely a company that you probably definitely put on your watch list. Now, if you look at tip ranks, the time of this video was $15. Their price target was $12, which they pretty much match. Their high was $12, pretty much match. Moderate buy based on one analysis. Now, if we look at Yahoo Finance, top institutional holdings, Serenity Capital bought about 2 million shares. Morgan Stanley bought about 2 million shares, and Renaissance Technology. So this is another company that another institutional holdings that I also pay attention to, 620. Now, if we look at Webull, 52 of them hold this with 7 increase, 13 new, and 3 decrease. Now, if we look at the analysis based on 4, it is a rate as a buy. Now, if we look at bar chart, if you look at the chart, this is a 1 month chart, consolidated for a while, and then now it shot up. You can see there was not that much any activity. Now it's starting to pick up. If you look at the Rizzo, the MACD has crossed. Now it's on the upward trend. It is for the Rizzo, it is on the overbuy stuff. So, but it is going down, so which is great. So this is a definitely put on your watch list. See what happens on Monday. Last on the list is One Stop System. Ticker symbol is OSS. It engages in the design, manufacturing, and marketing of computer system and components. Application includes the AI, deep learning, semantic exploration, financial modeling, media, entertainment, security, and defense. So what attracted me about this company is that the introduction of AI on the fly. So as you can see, this is a company that is going to be one of the key players in the autonomous driving. As you can see for here, autonomous vehicles must be able to collect, process, learn, and act immediately. So they have these, they're also targeting military, media, commercial aircraft, medical, instrumental, and then this one, autonomous vehicle. So, and then they also, work with the military. So they do all these components to help part of it. So that's why I think this one is also an interesting company to keep an eye on. Now, if we look at an article, February 14, 2021, is it a risky investment? One of the things that you need to think about is the debt. So if you look at the debt, by September 2020, One Stop Systems had a debt of 5.48 million, up from 2.98 million in 1 year, but they also have a 5.52 in cash to offset. So meaning it has a 39.7K net cash. So definitely something to kind of think about. Now, if we look at tip ranks, you can see the time of this video, it was up, is at 8. Price target was at 6. Their high was at 6. Moderate buy is 1. Now, if we look at CNN Business, as you can see, the top 10 holdings for this one is Bard Associates. You got Herald Investments, But one of the things I looked at was uh, back in 12/31/2020, Renaissance Technology bought 36,000 shares. So something to think about. If you look over here, one of the ones that I always look at is Vanguard Group. They own about 241 shares. So I always look at those things. Now, if we look at Yahoo Finance, as you can see, year to date, you can see it's upward trend. Now, if we look down to the earnings, you can see pretty good earnings, 3 beats, 1 met. Now, if we look at the revenue has been increasing each year, so that is something to kind of look at. It's been a buy pretty much for the past couple of months. Price target is higher than the average, which is 5. Now, if we look at Webull, based on their analysis, it is a rate buy based on 3, with the price target over higher. Now, if we look down, 38 institutions hold it, 7 increased, 3 9, and 8 decreased. So now, lastly to do, look at the chart. This is a 3-month chart, as you can see. Beautiful upward trend. The volume has been kind of lagging the past couple of weeks, but then it starts picking up. Again, the MACD has crossed over and now it's up. The Rizzo is kind of be up there, upper than I would like. So hopefully it'll go down to where between the 0.80. It is overbought at this time. So those are the 3 companies that definitely want to put on your watch list. As always, please remember, these are penny stocks, so please do your due diligence. Have a plan when entering these stocks. Remember, these stocks are very volatile, so they can go up really high 1 minute and then just crash another minute. So make sure you have a plan to get in, plan to get out, plan on how you're going to hold it, how long you're going to hold it if you are not a long-term investor in here. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video. Definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. You also want to take a look at some of the videos that I've had. You definitely want to check out some of the stocks that not many people talk about. So definitely check out some of the videos. As always, please remember, stay cool, keep investing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Aloha.